Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change email address on PayPal account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. PayPal is the name that comes to mind when you hear about online payment. Most its users often ask, how do I change PayPal email address? PayPal allows its user to send and receive money by using email. You can't send or receive the payment if your registered email is incorrect or in use. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to change email address on your PayPal account. It's very simple. So first of all, how to open our PayPal. You can open your PayPal on your mobile phone or your PC or laptop. Here I'm using my laptop. Now you can just log in to your PayPal account. You can go to the settings by click on the gear icon in here. And you can check on your profile. There is an option like emails, phone number, addresses. Because you want to change the email, you can just click on edit. Now you can update your primary email. Now, after you finish, you can just click on confirm. Confirm your email by signing into Google. Or you can confirm with Google, or you can email a code instead. I will just email. PayPal will send you code to confirm, to verify. You can enter the code that you receive from your email, from your new email. You can wait. Now you have replace your primary email. You have changed your email on your PayPal account. It's very simple, right? And if you want to change your number too, you can also choose on the phone numbers. There is an option change, or maybe you want to add another email. You can, for your backup, you can just click on add in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change email on PayPal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.